morning, guys. The day's just started. We're early today. I'll see you later, alligator. Guys, I'm back. Oh no, anyway, we're going back. We're going to New Jersey with my sister-in-law, and because they're renting a house over there, so we're gonna go there, and tomorrow night we'll be home. And I'm so worried about our cats, so I'm preparing everything. Food is ready, the water dish, and yeah, and I'm ready for our stuff too, for go if ever we go swimming. And yeah, I'm ready. I'm waiting for my husband because my husband is doing something for the air conditioning, that because tomorrow it's gonna be hot here, and my husband is trying to he bought some timer for the air conditioning, that he can do the time when it's gonna on and off, because for the cat. My husband went to the deli to get mom's sandwich, that when we pick her up, we're just gonna go direct to our destination, and that she can, she'll eat in the car. Where are we, Han? Long Beach Island, and my sister-in-law rent a house here, and yeah, did you see the background? It's very nice right now. Yeah, and that's my pretty sister-in-law, and yeah, I cut myself. It's okay. It's already, yeah, the sun is already down. So me and my friend Melanie, my future niece-in-law, we're going to walk. We're going to walk to get what is that? Not to get the sunset. Yeah. Take a video of the sunset. Okay, I'll show you her legs. She have a lovely leg.
Stop it!
Oh, this is for rent, stupid.
What is it for?
It's for rent. If you want to rent, call that number.
One.
I wish I live here, but not in the. If there's tsunami or something, I don't want to be in here. This area. Yeah, what? It's not. It's very scary, right? Look at the sun over there. We go this way? Yeah, because that's
the
it.
right there. Yeah. This is the part that it goes around and it comes right here. And that's why we go backwards.
Ah, okay. This is the house that 5 years ago we stayed here with the family. It's good with the garbage in it. Did you see blue moon before in your life? The moon that is colored blue?
No.
No? So moon is always like orange or white, right?
Yeah. White usually. Yeah.
So that's why.
Oh no, red. There's a red moon.
Oh, there is a red moon. But did you hear that expression? What's in the blue moon?
Yeah.
The blue moon doesn't really happen, right?
I don't think so.
I wanna see that sunset. I wanna take a picture of that. Why is it blurry? Did you see, guys, the sunset and the cliffs behind me? They're very and very calm. They're waiting for their food. It's very, huh? She keeps telling me I'm crazy. Oh, guys, there's another. Why are you laughing? And they forgot the underwear. Can you live if ever you and Steven live in this area, have a house, you guys stay here? You love to stay here in the whole summer? You in
No.
your own
If we get a house here?
yeah, if you have one of these houses in this area here.
I would love to stay here, but we don't have to. I would rent it out, probably.
You,
Yeah.
yeah, you can get money though if you have a house, right?
Yeah.
People will rent, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, and it's hard to go if you have a job. You live here is not practical.
But if I'm a teacher, then I'll have the
Oh
whole summer.
yeah, yeah. You can teach her too, right? There is a school here.
Yeah. That's what I would love to do.
Yeah, and then because you have that job already, like it's easy for you. Too bad for Steven. Melanie is gonna be here alone.
I always tell him that. Oh, these people are playing soccer.
Yeah, there is a soccer field. This is a nice house. Did you see the house over there? Oh, it's nice. I love this woman. Her name is Melanie, but I won't say the family name. Her name is Melanie, and her future mother-in-law. I love her too. And her mother-in-law is my sister-in-law. Future mother-in-law.
Who would you say to call?
Oh shit.
Justin.
Oh, he was actually calling.
We're back home from walking. From
I
walking.
also want to tell him, make sure he doesn't shut it in there.
So I'm just listening. My husband and my sister-in-law is talking, so I'll say we're just back home. And my husband is doing cooking. We're making things. And that's her! She's so pretty! Look at you guys. I want to show you the place. You can do that and I will put smiley in it. What is it?
How was your sunset? It's pretty good.
It's very pretty. And there
Alright guys, well done steaks coming out.
That bird.
The well done ones are ready?
Well done.
Did you tell Steve?
Melanie Blanc. Blanc. Melanie Blanc.
Hun, the one on top is Andrea's, is not as well done.
So,
This is
Andrea, stop.
and then the 3 other ones are well done.
Yeah. Andrea, stop.
Right. And make sure you cut them this way. They have to go back on. You will bring them back out.
Okay. The top is yours. I'll do it. I can do it. Thank you. So the top is Andrea's, and the 3 under is well done.
Protein's advantage. It's easy to digest. Less crying. It's more snacks for your baby and you. Ask your doctor about their pumpkin starch soup.
We're in 2-day vacation. Oh my god, huh? My god, guys, it's just we're in the second floor deck, and we're just like under there. Like you can see all the water. How nice is that? The moon too. Look at that. Yeah. Did you see that? It's very pretty. I wish I will stay here long enough, but I guess not. We're gonna stay here until tomorrow, and we're gonna go home at night. And we're in the Harvey Cedars. I'll show you the place. Oh. Look at the Harvey Cedars. Look, it's just pretty. It's just so windy. It's just very nice here. That's my husband and that's my sister-in-law. They're doing a steak. They're cooking right now. It's big.
MaryAnn likes hers dead too, so come on the wall.
I want my steak dead, hon. You know that.
You don't have to be fried to shit. Hun, go check your steak and see if it's good.
I love checking a steak. My husband told me to check my steak if it's killed. Her.
People see me at my best and at my worst, so.
See me at my worst and my worst. I only have one. Worst is it?
Worse is it? Oh my god, I can live here every day. It's very Melanie is a good thing to live here because she can teach. And there's a daycare center here, right, Mel? Or in it, it's not just daycare center, right? It's in high school. You can do elementary.
Not high school.